Hey y'all, I'm doing a little working session, making some posts, and I have an idea for setting up a cover photo system. And I thought it'd be really slick just to make a video as I do it, because why not? You already know, why not? That's the motto here with Billionaire Jay James. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna go over to Canva, and I'm doing a little file organization. I have all these downloads that I need to go through and clean up. So many videos to schedule out and test out. So many different things. There's this, just to do a shout out. And this is a working session. I will make these little bits and pieces here and there for my TikTok posts and see how they do. But I know that doing long form content doesn't always translate over to short form content. But I want to see it. I want to put it out there. I want to see how it shows up and comes back. So I'm hopping in. I'm going to do it and learn as I go. That's what it's all about. That's why we're making this. This is literally sharing with you guys the process. Sharing with you guys the process of how we do this and how I'm doing this to grow and excel and become everything that I believe in myself to be. I'm a billionaire. I'm a billionaire. So kick back, grab your monster, and let's hang out. I'm just chilling. This will be a nice long video, so hang out with me while we work through this and learn how to do some stuff. I'm going to have a blast. So open up your downloads folder. We got to get this organized. I want to go through, so these ones need covers, and these are done. They need covers for each of the series concepts, and then this is a cleanup, random stuff. What is this? These are other videos I can post. Other videos to post. And then I have so much stuff in Google Drive right now. Or not Drive, I mean Photos. I have so much stuff in Photos that need to be posted. I just made this video today. And then I need to come up with a better system than literally taking up all my drive storage. We need a better system because my phone data is not going to last. I literally need to come up with a system and a structure set in place so that I literally upload, post, upload, edit, post, and then I drop everything into a folder of completed videos, original videos, if I want to do it like that. But original content, completed content, and then archive it in the external hard drive, and then maybe even create a duplicate because drives fail. So many thoughts, but little processes that we can really work on. This person's super cool. Go check out her Instagram or her TikTok. Check out her TikTok because it's hilarious. The way she edits her videos, I want to learn how to do that because it is good. It's so good. I'm going to make a note because I want to understand. I need to write down exactly what I like about her videos and then figure out how I do it. Figure out how I edit my videos like that using whatever she uses and use it myself. So I got a bunch of stuff here, lots of videos, even these. I keep making videos and I'm going to keep making videos. I just need to edit, post it. Edit, post it. Edit, post it. I can delete all these, but I might keep them just in case I want to make a clone with these. Same with these pics. Well, not these ones. So let that download. I'm going to open up Canva. And we need to get this size built. So I'm just going to duplicate this. Make a copy. Boom. And this is going to be Canva cover. Or let's call it real Cover photo. Cover photo. Boom. So this won't be a mobile video anymore. This is going to be a real cover photo. Delete that. Let's make it happen. It's not that hard. File. I don't know how I switched this to a photo. I mean, it is a photo, but how do I convert it back to just a photo? Well, I don't know if it matters too much. Whoa, I wonder if this would speed up my videos. No freaking way. Dude, I'm gonna have to try that. And some of these animations too. Holy smokes. Split page. You can do that? No, wait a minute. Split page. Dude! Cool. All right. So I want to delete pretty much everything in the background here. Whoops. We're going to make this, what pops? We need to make it something different. I want to make it like, what? Black? Make it black. I'm going to make all the text here black. Stroke, black. Lettering, black. All right. This, we don't need this. Not for our cover photo. We're going to do something cool. For our first series, we're going to make a series on what? I'm going to make a series on thoughts and vlogs. So literally my thoughts and vlogs videos. So when I'm driving and I'm talking and doing things, thoughts and vlogs. Thoughts and vlogs. And then I want to make this cooler. So we need to make this, red's a fun color. I should make it red. What do you think? Is that too much? Too much? Too much too soon? I'm doing it. Thoughts and vlogs. This one will be then I'm going to add a shadow. Yeah. Add a shadow, a lift, intensity. Or maybe we need, no, shadow. Let's do shadow. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Thoughts and vlogs. Let's go. And then this will be what? This will be Billionaire J. James. Billionaire J. James. Or Billionaire J. Let's do Billionaire J. And I should make this cursive and cool. So we're going to go to Effects, Shadow, all the way up. And then we're going to go to red potentially. Whoa, that's cool. But that's not what I meant to do. Let's go to black. Text is going to be red. And then I'm going to go to, where would I adjust that? That's going to be styles. No. We need something smooth. Ooh, that's kind of cool looking. I mean, they already know it's Billionaire J because it's my profile. So maybe that's pointless. And maybe I should just do something like thoughts and vlogs. If it's car drives, should I do cruising? Cruising and chilling and cruising. Chilling and cruising. Because I do that a lot. Cruising. Chilling and cruising. Ooh, yeah. That's a cool text right there. Chilling and cruising. Let's go. I like it. All right, that's my first one. Boom, share. This is going to be literally PNG transparent. PNG transparent background. And then we're going to go ahead and freaking send it. Boom. What are all these? Boom. All right, that's going to be so cool. So I'm literally going to use that as a cover photo on my stuff. So I'm going to upload that to my photos account. Boom. And then literally I can download that, put it up on my videos. Bam. Should I stretch it out on top? Maybe I need to make it bigger like this. All right. Chilling and cruising. And then this one needs to be bigger too. Can I stretch it not perfectly? There's no way to do that. Thoughts and vlogs. Well, that still looks pretty cool. Maybe this will be like a bonus thing. Chilling and a cruising. Chilling and cruising. Boom. Thoughts and vlogs, chilling and cruising. Chilling and cruising. Chilling and cruising. What do you think? All right, I'm going to send it. PNG. Transparent. Download. I need to delete the other ones. Delete. All right. All right. Chilling and cruising. Well, that's my first cover photo. I'll be back for more fun. I'm going to upload this to YouTube. And if you like the way that we hang out and we make things together and it gives you ideas, awesome. Hit the subscribe and all that good jazz. If you want, go ahead and follow me on social media platforms at Billionaire JJ, or excuse me, Billionaire J James. I look forward to having you there in the community. Let's go. Let's grow. Peace.